The usual path is not working for everybody anymore. Traditional college is expensive. Every day, costs are going up. AI is changing the job market. It's time to take action. Train for a career in the trades at JTech. Here, students understand that across North Florida, work still needs to get done. Cars and trucks need repair. Homes need AC. Heavy equipment needs service. At JTech, students train in hands-on shops that are built for job-ready positions, with class schedules that allow you to work while you train. It comes down to this: Florida employers need you. Look us up. Check us out. Trade up to the trades with JTech.